Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how you can build this type of website, which will first show you a beautiful gift. So tap to open. Next it's going to show you a beautiful birthday cake. You can see the animations, the candle properly glowing. So nice, isn't it? Now as you click on this cake, it's going to cut the cake and then it's going to show you this beautiful happy birthday card. Now as you click on read my heart after that, it will show you this beautiful love letter. So nice, isn't it? Let's see how you can build this similar type of project. So for that, first you need to go to our Geeky Script GitHub account. Here you have to go to repositories and you will get this project Happy Birthday My Love. So this link I am going to provide right on our video description. Once when you are here, you need to download this project. So click on code and click on download zip, and then you need to extract this folder. So here is our project folder, you can see Happy Birthday My Love, and it has all files. So let's open this folder on Visual Studio Code. So it's rightly opened over here, you can see. Here to do Ctrl F on your keyboard and just search Aditi. Since I have developed this website for Aditi, so that's why I am searching with that name. Here to change this name with your friend's name or your partner's name, whichever name you want, just put that. So just an example, let's put Tanya. And next is you need to change that image. Right now it is set as aditi.jpg. So here is that image lying on our project folder. So you can see, if you go to our project folder, you can see that image is lying. Similar to that, you need to put your very own image and you need to provide that exact file name, whatever file name it is. So that is what you need to put right over here. Just replace that with the image name that you are going to add right over here. After that, you need to click on file and save that file. And then you need to go to your browser. Now it's time to deploy our project. So open a new tab and type age1 pages drop. Hit enter. So that will show you this free web hosting age1 pages drop. Go there. This link also I'm going to provide right on our video description. Here, once when you are done with editing your website, you just deploy this project over here. So for that, you have to click on this select folder and to browse to your folder. So this is the folder. So select that folder and click on upload and click on upload over here. So that's going to start uploading into a project over the server. Click on start deployment and bingo, it is done. Our deployment is successful. But you can see that it will be live for an hour. We don't want that, right? We want it to be live forever. So for that you need to sign up for free. Here you have to provide your email ID, password. Then you click on get a code. First you need to solve this captcha. And after that click on OK. And the verification code will be sent to your email ID. Put that code. Check both these two boxes and click on sign up for free. And there you go. You can see that our website is up and running. So when you click on this website, you can see that our website is up and running over here. Now as you click on this gift icon, first it's going to show a cake, make a wish, tap to cart. Now as you click on this cake, it's going to show a beautiful animation of cake cutting, and then it's going to show you happy birthday Tanya. So whatever name you are providing, it's going to show up over here. I just showed you how you can edit that on Visual Studio Code, and you can change your image as well right over here. So that will be showing up over here. Now as you click on read my heart, it's going to show this beautiful love letter. So cute, isn't it? So that's how I build this type of website, and you can share that with your friends. Please do check out all these different other videos that I have created. I'm sure you're going to love them. You can check these Valentine website tutorials also that I have created. So all these beautiful projects are really cute, and you can build this similar type of website and you can share that with your crush. And also don't forget to check our Buy Me a Coffee Geeky Script account. So here regularly I post new projects with detailed source code. So these projects are exclusive one, you can easily buy them and you can deploy the similar way and you can share that with your friends, families and your crush. So do check our Buy Me a Coffee account for more the similar projects. And I'm also posting all these projects on our Patreon account as well. So you can buy those projects from there. And don't forget to subscribe our channel and also joining our community. That's going to really motivate me to make more this similar kind of videos. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video and God bless you all.